Hey guys, welcome back to Cozy English Corner. I'm Sarah, and I'm so happy you're here today. I hope your day is going gently, even if you're feeling a bit stressed.
And I'm Sam. Today we're talking about something everyone goes through, preparing for an exam. It's simple, but it brings so many emotions.
Exams make you feel nervous even before studying.
Yes, you can feel the pressure in your stomach and in your chest. Even hearing the word exam can make your brain freeze.
You're not alone. Everyone feels that way. Listener, maybe you have an exam coming soon.
Maybe tomorrow, next week, or next month, but the stress arrives early.
Stress always shows up before the exam does. When I was a student, exam season felt like a whole different life.
Yes, everything changes. Your sleep, your routine, your thoughts. You start living in a world made of books and notes.
And endless highlighters. Preparing for an exam is not just studying.
It's managing fear, managing expectations, managing your own mind.
It's emotional labor. Listener, maybe you're trying to start studying, but you feel stuck. You sit at your desk, open the book, stare at it, and nothing moves in your brain.
That's normal. Starting is the hardest part.
Sometimes I clean my desk before studying.
Me too. Organizing the desk gives me the illusion that my life is under control.
A clean desk equals a calm brain, at least for 5 minutes.
When you finally start studying, the first chapter always feels impossible.
Yes, your brain says, I cannot do this. But after 10 minutes, something shifts and you start understanding. The beginning is the mountain. After that, it becomes a walk. Listener, here are some helpful study sentences.
I need to focus.
Let me revise this again.
I don't understand this part.
Can you explain this to me? Studying creates strange habits.
Yes, suddenly you get hungry every 10 minutes, or you want to check your phone every 30 seconds.
The mind becomes extra creative when trying to avoid work. I remember reading one page 5 times and still not understanding it.
Oh, that's the classic exam moment. The words are English, but your brain refuses to translate them.
It's like the brain goes offline. Listener, maybe you've felt that too. The I don't get anything moment. That moment doesn't mean you're weak or stupid. It just means your brain is tired. Resting is part of studying. Breaks matter.
Yes, a 5-minute break is like medicine for the brain. Drink water, walk around, breathe.
Your brain needs kindness, not punishment. Sometimes I used to study with soft music.
Same. Calm music makes the stress feel smaller. It makes your mind flow.
Music can be a gentle friend during exams. The night before the exam is the most emotional part.
Yes, you feel nervous, sleepy, tired, confused, all at the same time. You want to sleep, but your brain keeps talking.
Nighttime makes everything bigger. Listener, maybe you're lying on your bed thinking, I studied, but still don't feel ready.
No one ever feels fully ready. Trust me, even the smartest students feel unsure.
Uncertainty is part of the process. If you haven't finished the whole syllabus, it's okay.
Do what you can. Know what you know. Let the rest go.
Perfection isn't required.
I always used to pack my bag the night before.
Yes, pen, pencil, water bottle, admit card, everything checked twice.
Preparing the bag makes you feel calmer.
The morning of the exam is intense.
You wake up too early or too late. You don't feel like eating, your stomach is nervous.
But the moment you get ready, you feel stronger. Walking to the exam center feels strange.
Yes, everyone looks stressed, even the confident ones. It's like a silent army of anxiety.
But all of you are going through the same thing. Standing outside the exam hall is scary.
People around you discuss questions, and that increases stress.
Listening to others before an exam is a bad idea.
When the doors open, your heart beats faster.
You enter the room, find your seat, and try to relax.
The pen feels heavier than usual.
When the question paper arrives, the first few seconds feel like a storm.
But once you read it, the storm slowly becomes calmer. The brain wakes up and remembers things.
Listener, remember this. You know more than you think.
Your brain stores everything you studied, even if it felt impossible.
Trust yourself a little more. During the exam, stay slow and steady.
Don't panic if you don't know something. Start with what you understand.
Confidence grows as you write. I always used to check the time too much.
Yes, every 5 minutes I looked at the clock. It made me more anxious.
But eventually, you find your rhythm. When the exam ends, the relief is instant.
Yes, it feels like fresh air entering your chest. You feel lighter.
You survived another test. Listener, don't compare your answers with others afterward.
Yes, that only brings stress and regrets. The exam is over. Let it go.
Going home after an exam feels amazing.
The world looks brighter. Even food tastes better.
Peace enters your body. Exams are just small tests, not life judgments.
They measure knowledge, not your worth.
You are always more than your marks. Preparing for exams teaches discipline.
It teaches patience, effort, and responsibility.
These are life skills. Listener, if you're preparing for an exam, remember to be kind to yourself.
Don't pressure yourself too hard. You're trying your best.
And that is enough. Thank you for joining us in this cozy episode.
We hope your studying becomes lighter and your stress becomes softer.
All the best for your exams. We believe in you.
See you in the next episode.